Alright, broskies, this is it. My Z is leaving. Not this one. This one. What are you doing?
You got me waiting a long time.
No lie, bro, I think I'm gonna cry, fool. One last walk around. I even washed it, took it to the car wash. This shit's all nice and clean. Say goodbye, broskies, to the mamalon. Say what's up to the new buyer. What's up, bro?
So, I'll go ahead and let you guys, I'll tag you. I'm gonna tag your channel when I get this on. I'm gonna get this on a new YouTube channel. We're gonna have to remove all of the Feely Drifts stuff on it.
Feely Drift specs, like all the stickers and shit?
Yeah, all the Feely specs and all the Feely stickers are gonna have to come off. We're gonna have to change the color of the car. Then it'll be on a new channel, but it's good. At least it's going one of Feely's homies.
Drop your channel below, bro.
Yeah, I'll get your channel.
You have a channel already or no?
Yeah,
What is it?
it's Street Influence.
Oh yeah, Street Influence.
Yeah, so
If you guys didn't know, when was it, like a year and a half? Oh, there's your
yeah, there we go. So the car will be on there soon.
sick. But this guy, he sold me the wheels a while back, remember?
Yeah.
And now,
Last year, huh?
yeah,
He was
now
last
now
year.
he's taking the wheels and the car.
He was in the car back. So that's it.
That's it.
A bit of work to do on it, but I'll start driving it right away.
Yeah, that shit's ready, bro.
Sheesh, dude. You only have one key for this?
Yeah, only one key.
Nice. Alright, dude.
Fuck it, I'm gonna have to see you drive off. Enjoy it, bro.
Yeah.
If you crash it, I'll buy it. You know that. Mira nomás. Chingao. 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 This is it. Later.
Later, bro.
Chingao, broskis. And just like that, she's gone. He left his wife right there. ¿Qué pedo? But ni pedo, broskis. That's it. Time for not another car. What consolates me is that the 240 is almost done, según yo. But we're gonna get this thing going pretty quick. Let me turn off the lights. But yeah, broskis, I wanted to pay my bill like slowly, but the homie Anthony came. He offered me good money for the car, and I sold it. All this happened like within 2 days. I did keep my my bucket seat, my exhaust, and a few other little things, but I mean, that's it, broskis. No more 350. I mean, except for this one. But the other one was my baby. Was the mamalon. Was the one that basically kicked off this channel. But no hay pedo, you know. We still got the 240, and it'll just motivate me to keep putting in work. And I think I'm gonna go inside and cry, low key. And I'll see you guys next time, broskis.